Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a Facebook page. So go to your Facebook account and tap on the profile icon here on the lower right. And then under all shortcuts, tap on pages. And then tap on create here at the top. Get started. And it will ask for a page name, so just input whatever you like. For example, and then tap next. Now it's gonna ask for a category, so since my title is work from home jobs, then I'm just gonna put jobs and occupations, but you can choose whatever you like. And then tap on create. Once you're here, you're gonna have to input a bio, for example. And then just input your contact information. If you have a website, then just put it here by typing www and then your website, or just copy pasting your URL. If you have an email, then just put it here, and your phone number as well. You should also input your location. So for example, then your city or town, searches here. And then your zip code. Now you have to input how many hours your page is available. So for example, let's just try standard hours, and it will lead you to this page. Now you can choose which day you're closed. Let's say Sunday I'm closed, Sunday and Saturday. So once you're done, just tap done. And then just scroll down and then tap next. And then here you can customize your page, upload a profile picture, choose from your camera roll, upload a header as well. And then once you're done, then just tap next. So mind you that you can just edit all of these again once you've already uploaded your page. So what you have to do is just go to your page and then edit your profile, and then you would have the option to change your information and your pictures. Tap next. And then here you would have to enter your phone number, but you can skip it. It's gonna ask you again to enter that after a while. Next. And then tap on done. So there you have it. You have your page all set and ready to go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.